Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator Hard Mode. This challenging setting requires strategic planning and careful resource management from the very beginning. You'll start with minimal capital and basic machinery, so every decision counts. Prioritize essential purchases and consider leasing equipment to save money. Building a sustainable farm takes time and patience in this demanding environment, so let's dive into the details. To succeed in the early game of hard mode, focus on crops that offer a good return without requiring expensive specialized equipment. Canola or soybeans are often good choices. Taking on contracts for other farmers is an excellent way to boost your cash flow and gain experience with different machinery without the upfront cost. Remember, slow and steady expansion is key. Avoid overspending on large fields or advanced vehicles too soon. Effective financial management is crucial in Farming Simulator Hard Mode. Always keep an eye on market prices for your produce and for any equipment you plan to buy or sell. Selling at peak prices can significantly increase your profits. It's also wise to maintain a cash reserve of at least $10,000 for unexpected expenses or opportunities. Investing in production chains, like bakeries or dairies, can provide a steady stream of passive income over time. Once your farm is stable, consider diversifying into animal husbandry or forestry to open up new income streams and add variety to your gameplay. Animals, for example, can provide milk, eggs, or wool, while forestry offers a different kind of challenge and profit. Always strive to optimize your fieldwork by using the most efficient machinery for the task, saving both time and fuel. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy farming!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.